Hi, first graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and today is the day I have been waiting for because it's the day that you get to meet Chip. Here's my little dog, Chip, and he is going to be in our story today. And today he said, "It's time, Mom. I want to come out and I want to be in the video." You may have remembered him from some kindergarten videos last year. So this little guy's Chip, and he's my little rescue dog. And I have some treats in here, so he's looking all around, looking for the treats. Where do I find them, Mom? Where do I find them? So before we get to Chip's story, we're going to do a number talk. So everybody get your hands and your paws ready. We are going to start with 10 minus 3. So hit pause right now, and I want you to figure out what the answer to that would be. All right, we're back. Do you think you know the answer? Chip, did you think about it? Chip, you're not supposed to take a nap during math. You want to wake up. Oh, okay, now we're awake. All right, so 10 minus 3 would be what? On the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3, tell me. You are right. Chip, what did you say? Say 5 here and 5 here. So 10 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 7 are left. All right, did you use your paws for that? I mean fingers. Okay, so if Chip used his paws for that, he'd write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And he would take off 3. 1, 2, 3. And then maybe you know that there's 5 right here and 2 more, and 5 plus 2 makes 7. Or maybe you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you do that? All right, who did not use their paws? Chip, did you use your paws? He used his paws. All right, so if you didn't use your paws, what did you do? Did some of you actually think about 3 plus what number would make 10? Did anybody do that? Because you can actually solve subtraction with addition, which is kind of weird. So 3 plus 7 would make 10. Maybe you did that. Or maybe you used a 100 chart. Here's 10. And if we hopped back 1, 2, 3, we would land on 7. There's so many different ways to think about this. He said, "Don't touch my paws, Mom. Those are my math tools." All right, here's your next one. Are you ready? 20 minus 3. All right, everybody hit pause. What is 20 minus 3? Chip, get your paws ready. Get your paws ready. Okay, ready. It's going to go to sleep again. We're back. Are we back? Chip, are you awake? Chip, are you back? Do you know the answer? 20 minus 3 is, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Show me your paws. Okay, I see 17. So did you guys actually have to get out your toes? Did anybody do that? Did you use your top 2 paws and your bottom 2 paws? There's the other dog. She's saying hello. Her name's Speckles. You'll meet her sometime soon. Okay, so maybe you did fingers and toes, 20 minus 3, or maybe you actually used the 100 chart. So maybe you did 20. So 20, and then maybe you hopped back. So 20, 19, 18, and then what's left is 17. Maybe you did that. Or maybe you did something else. Did anyone use this one to help them? So maybe you realized that this one, I just added 10 more here. So the answer would have to be 10 more here. So the answer would have to be 17. Did anybody do that? Chip, did you do that? He said no, he didn't do that. He used his paws once again. Chip, there's no yawning in math. By the way, Mrs. Winton said hello to you. You say hello to Mrs. Winton? Okay. All right, here we go. We have our story for you. And the story is all about Chip! Chip the magical dog. All right, here it comes. Chip had treats for being a good boy. All right, so Chip had some treats for being a good dog. He ate of the treats. Okay, so can you imagine that? Chip had some treats for being a good dog, a good boy. Then he ate some of those treats. Did you eat some of those treats? And then how many treats does Chip have left? Okay. It's time. Want some treats? Want some treats? Okay, so let's think about this. I have some treats. I'm going to give Chip a treat. I'm going to give him another treat. I'm going to give him another treat. He says this is the best math video ever. And now, do I have more treats in this bag, or do I have less treats in the bag now that he's had some treats? What do you think, Chip? Should you have one more? Okay. I'm going to have less treats in the bag now, right? Because Chip is eating some. His belly is getting them. Here, Speckles, you want a treat? There you go. I just threw one for Speckles. All right, so let's see our number sets now. So Chip, you got to pay attention for the number sets, okay? Then you can have more treats. All right, our number sets are 10 and 8, 20 and 8, and 20 and 18. Okay, so let's read that again, and let's use the numbers 10 and 8 to try out in our number set. All right, Chip had 10 treats for being a good dog. He ate of the treats. How many treats does Chip have left? All right, kids. Chip, are you thinking about treats? You can't focus on your math. Are you thinking about treats? All right. Oh, some more treats. Okay, so kids, you got to pick out your number set. You got to have fun with it. You got to think about how many treats are left after Chip eats some out of the bag. I'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye, Chip. Bye.